Hey guys, I'm here to show you guys my bike. You dig? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my front end. I have an Odyssey key light tire. It's like the same tread as the past though, so I really don't know what the difference is. And then my front wheel is a Odyssey Quadrant with a Bandero 2. I can't really see that. I don't feel like moving it because I got this camera in my hand. But my forks are S&M pitchforks, XLTs, whatever the fuck. I got this nice Bob Marley bracelet on my head too, and I got Vans sticker. I got S&M stem, Redneck XLT. I got the S&M Race XLT bars. I got my brakes are Odyssey trigger lever. I got the Odyssey. Wait, I'm focusing on that. Okay, whatever. Odyssey linear slip cable. Got the nice shit brown grips. Chase Hawks though, so they feel nice. I got this zip tie right here. It's really pro. I'm gonna go ahead and move it. All my shit's messed up right now. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Excuse me real quick. Okay. Alright, I got the Odyssey Evo brakes. Yeah, dude. Okay. I got profile cranks, profile bottom bracket, Odyssey trail mix pedals, nice pins. My bike's all dirty right now. I got profile sprocket over there, and I have a reason why not to buy Shadow Conspiracy half-link chains. They just fall apart. Hold on, I don't think you guys can see that. Come on. Okay. Yeah. You guys can see that. I know you can. Yeah. Yeah, they just fall apart, and I've only had this chain for like 4 or 5 months. And then moving on here to my frame. Nigga got the Colt OS frame with a 20-inch top tube, and I got like a 13.5-inch back end, which is pretty long if you ask me. My seat is a premium, as you can see. Now I'm running a Fitzy Post, which is gold, and watch this. Fit is shit. And anyways, now moving on. Animal GLH folding tire, an Odyssey Hazard, flash a V3 cassette. I'm forgetting something. Okay, yeah, alright. Got this nice, very shit headset. Nice. And, yeah, just subscribe. There's gonna be more videos. The crazy cat. Lola! Lola! Lola, come here. Come here. Come here. Don't be a bitch. Come here. Come here. Yo. Yo. Yeah. Bitch trying to take a shit. Alright. Anyway, subscribe. There'll be more videos up soon. Yeah, that's it. I feel dumb right now, but guess I'll see you guys later.